Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on September 9, 2025, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, declined by 231.72 points, or 1.11%, to close at 20,674.11. Meanwhile, the S&P/SL 20 index dropped by 60.23 points, or 1.01%, finishing the day at 5,895.13. Both indices ended in the red, reflecting a weaker market sentiment during today's trading session. At the close of trading, the total market capitalization stood at 7,340.67 billion rupees. The market turnover for the day was 9.05 billion rupees, with total crossings amounting to 3.03 billion rupees. The highest crossings were recorded in Digital Mobility Solutions Lanka and Nations Trust Bank. Domestic investors accounted for the majority of market activity, with purchases amounting to 7,542.64 million rupees, representing 83% of total buying. Foreign investors contributed 1,506.92 million rupees, or 17%, to total purchases. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded 8,928.77 million rupees, making up a dominant 99% of total sales, while foreign sales were relatively modest at 120.79 million rupees, representing just 1%. Top gainers of the day. Leading today's positive performers, we have Agstar Non-Voting taking the top spot. Next on the list is Asia Capital, followed by Milan Developments. Maharaja Foods also made notable gains, along with Onally Holdings, rounding out today's top 5 gainers. Top losers of the day. Conversely, among today's laggards, SMB Finance Non-Voting led the declines. It was followed by HMB Finance Non-Voting, along with Hatton Plantations. Capital Alliance and Tess Agro also ended the day lower, completing the list of today's top losers. Top positive contributors to the ASPI. Turning to today's positive contributors, Aitken Spence Hotel Holdings led the list. This was followed by Val Libel Power Arafna and Aitken Spence. Nawaloka Hospitals also added strength to the index, along with Malwut Valley Plantation, rounding out the top 5 positive contributors for the day. Top negative contributors to the ASPI. Finally, looking at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index, Ceylon Tobacco Company weighed the index down the most. It was followed by John Keells Holdings, along with Sampath Bank. Dialog Axiata and Hatton National Bank also dragged the index lower, completing today's list of top negative contributors. Thank you.